What if I told you that there's a way to set up money in your life so it doesn't just come once and disappear, but instead keeps showing up every single month, every single year, even when you're not working anymore? Would you believe that's actually possible, not in theory, but in real, everyday life? The truth is, most people chase the wrong idea of wealth. They think building cash means saving harder, working longer hours, or waiting decades for retirement. But the real game isn't about working for money. It's about designing systems that make money
flow to you over and over without needing your constant effort. Picture this: a man sitting on his porch with coffee in hand, not stressed about bills, not glued to stock charts, because he knows that his rental properties cover his expenses, his dividend-paying stocks drop cash into his account quarterly, and his small online business runs with or without him. That man isn't rich by lottery. He's rich by design. Cash flow that pays you forever starts with flipping your mindset from earn and spend to create and reinvest. The secret is focusing on assets that give back, not just sit there looking pretty.
A pile of cash in the bank shrinks from inflation, but cash that moves into businesses, into real estate, into scalable systems, grows and returns like a river that never runs dry. And here's the part nobody tells you on YouTube. True perpetual cash flow doesn't start with millions. It starts with structure. For example, you can turn a single digital skill, like creating templates, courses, or tools, into a product that sells globally 24/7 while you sleep. That's a stream. Add one rental property, properly managed, and that's another stream. Pair it with a dividend-focused portfolio, and suddenly you've got multiple faucets of money dripping into your life, and each drip adds freedom. The beauty of cash flow is that it compounds. You use the output of one stream to build the next, like stacking bricks until you've built a wall so strong it stands even if your job falls apart. But here's where most people fail. They want it fast. They want 10 streams tomorrow. The truth? Building forever cash is slow at first, like filling a jar drop by drop, until one day the jar tips and overflows. That's when you stop trading hours for dollars, because the dollars chase you. Imagine a woman who spends 5 years growing a small side hustle into a systemized online shop, reinvesting every penny into more products, better marketing, and customer loyalty. In year 6, she's not hustling anymore. She's curating, fine-tuning, and watching money flow in while she spends time with family. That's the forever payoff. And yes, this works across every level of income, but only if you refuse the trap of chasing shiny distractions and instead stick to building durable cash machines. Another layer? Protection. What's the use of streams if you let them leak? People forget that tax efficiency, smart debt leverage, and reinvestment strategies keep the stream strong. So the formula becomes simple but powerful. Identify assets that spin off income, protect them, reinvest them, and stack them. Over time, you go from 1 stream to 5, from 5 to 10. And suddenly you wake up one morning realizing you no longer worry about job security because your cash flow is your security. The real freedom isn't quitting work. It's choosing work. It's waking up knowing your bills are already covered by the flows you built. And the biggest secret is this: anyone can do it if they start small, stay patient, and treat cash flow like planting seeds in fertile soil. You water them, guard them, and eventually they bear fruit season after season, long after the initial effort is gone. That's how ordinary people build extraordinary freedom. That's how you create cash flow that pays you forever.